In this video, I am going to show you how to add content to your custom mapped fields in case that's something you need to do manually. Now, note that if your custom mapped fields are mapped in a form, meaning that a client fills out a questionnaire, types in the answer to a short answer question, and that question is mapped to your custom mapped field, then that information is automatically going to show up over here on the left under custom mapped project fields. If it's a client custom mapped field, then it will show up here under the client profile. Now, if you need to add a link or any other type of custom mapped project field manually, then you'll simply go to the client's project, look at this left-hand pane, and go down to the custom mapped project fields area. You'll click on the pencil icon, and then here is where all of your project level custom mapped fields will appear. And so all you need to do is locate the field that you're looking for, type in or paste in a link, the information that you need to show in the custom mapped field, and then click save. Once you do that, you'll see the page refresh, and now that information is showing up. If those custom map fields are mapped anywhere into your forms or your canned emails, then the information that you've now put into that field will auto appear in those content pieces. I hope that this was helpful and good luck.